भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भाल नेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा,
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 भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा।
It has been the love and support of thousands of people from across the country. We believe in us, who believed in Sai Gramam and who believed in humanity, that provided support to us in our journey, and I thank them all from the bottom of my heart. Today, the Honorable Vice President of India is inaugurating the Silver Jubilee celebration of the Satya Sai Orphanage Trust, and this is a great moment for us. We are extremely thankful to the Honorable Vice President of India, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu sir, for wholeheartedly accepting our invitation and agreeing to come to Sai Gramam for this function today. We are fortunate to have you here, sir. And I, on behalf of the Trust and all those who are present here, welcome you to Sai Gramam for inaugurating the Silver Jubilee celebration.
Sai Gramam thrives on flawless fusion of faiths, religious amity and emotional harmony. Such a profound vision of universal appeal and application deserves to be encouraged on all counts. The work of Sai Gramam and other projects that Satya Sai Orphanage Trust reminds us of the sublime dictum, Dharmosmal Kula Devatam. Charity is our household divinity. Perhaps we have, even through very difficult times in our history, India has successfully upheld this noble principle. We have successfully looked after people who are not cared for. And this is what Satya Sai Orphanage Trust has been doing here. By showing the world the power of kindness, the organization and volunteers under the Trust have been creating an urge in the minds of people to serve the society. My best wishes to all the volunteers and inmates of Sai Gram and other institutions under the Satya Sai Orphanage Trust. With these words, I invite Manya Rashtrapati Ji to inaugurate this Silver Jubilee celebrations.
भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भस्म भूषितांग साई चंद्रशेखरा,
भाल नेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा,
भाल नेत्र शूलधारी साई शंकरा।
This Sai Gramam, the central project of Satya Sai Trust, has been guided by the Gandhian vision of Grama Swarajya, or a self-governed, self-reliant village. I am really inspired that this trust, instead of getting itself located in a city or the capital, has got it located in a village, and that too in a beautiful atmosphere. And if the beauty and duty join together, you can render mighty service. That's why I am very much happy about it. The development of our villages was a subject very dear to Mahatma Gandhi. He said Indian soul lives in villages. He said after independence, back to villages. He said Rama Rajya, Grama Rajya ke bina Rama Rajya adhura hai. He said Rama Rajya is incomplete without Grama Raj. So uplifting the rural people, taking care of the suppressed, oppressed, depressed people should be the priority for anybody who really want to serve the society. So I appreciate the Sai Gramam for achieving self-sufficiency like rainwater harvesting, biogas plant, solar street light, solar water heater, Gokulam dairy farm, vegetable garden, paddy fields, etc. Besides, during the last 14 years, I am told the village has provided free dialysis to about 4 lakh needy patients from 14 districts of Kerala. It's a great service. I am sure that Saigram can be role model for the village development in India. My dear sisters and brothers, Kerala is known God's own country because of its splendid natural beauty. It is a land where nature has given us glimpses of divinity. It is also a land of great visionaries like the poet Merapatur Narayana Bhattatri, who wrote Narayaniyam, and of the spiritual leaders and social reformists like Narayana Guru and the enlightened rulers like Chitra Tirunal. Keralians has huge potential for tourism, especially domestic tourism, and through tourism give boost to local economy. This may also give fillip to the conservation of nature and preservation of our rich cultural heritage. That's why I say live and love with the nature. Nature, culture, together for better future. That should be our motto, and we should all be friendly with the nature. The greenery has to be maintained, the water has to be conserved, preserved, reduced, reused, recycled, and also the solar energy has to be properly utilized, and also the rivers has to be protected. All these things will add to our health. Through health, we can achieve wealth. Keeping that in mind, nature preservation is very important. I am glad to note that Satya Sai Orphanage Trust is planning to revive and regenerate some of the art forms also and traditional crafts through promotion of social tourism.